Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair Nothing Ear 1 with your iPhone. Okay, so first of all we have to simply charge them at least to the 50%. You can find the USB-C input right here. So we have to plug the USB-C cable, and next you have to open the case. When this indicator is up, it means that everything is fine with the earbuds and we can go to the pairing mode. So you have to put them to the case and then click and hold this button next to the USB-C port until this indicator starts blinking on white. So let's make it right now. Click and hold this button and take a look on the indicator. As you can see, it's blinking right now, so we have to release the button, put it back close to your phone, don't close this cover, go for the settings, open the Bluetooth and click on the switcher to turn on the Bluetooth. And right now just select the Nothing Ear 1 from the list. Okay, and right now we can go for another step. So right now we are able to listen to music, but we can also unlock more features by using the Nothing application. So we have to open the App Store, we have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, click on the search pool, and right now type Nothing and go for search. We have to get this application, Ear 1, so let's get it. Click install at the bottom, and right now we have to input our password, so let me just do this. Okay, right now we are on the way. We can cancel the low data. Looks like I just misclick, so let's have to get it one more time. Let's click download. Right now when it's finished you can simply open, accept the application and click start. We can join for the improvement program, but we can make it later, of course. And as you can see right now we have to move them to the pairing mode, but we can try to click continue because we already paired them with the iPhone. So let's see what's going to happen. Click OK to allow Bluetooth, and as you can see the Nothing Ear is visible, and it's because we paired them before getting this app, so we don't have to activate the pairing mode. So click on them. Okay, we are connected, so I don't know why it keeps tell us to go right here. Okay, let's click continue, click start, and there it is. Right now we are connected. As you can see right here, we can enable the ambient sound and we can control the gestures. We are connected. So that's how we can make it step by step. As you can see, that was very simple. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.